drink out of that? It's so gross.
I don't know. Where should I put my mouth?
I don't want to get germs. Is there a part of it where it's cleanest? The water comes out cleanest?
I don't know.
Maybe we could find out using the easy measure app.
Let's do it. I think the perfect place to take a sip would be right here, which is 45.3 inches.
Well, I think a perfect place to sit would be probably right around here because it's closer, which is 45.6 inches.
To find our equation, we first determined 3 points to plug into the spreadsheet on our calculator. Because the width of our parabola was 63 inches, we could determine 3 points from looking at that parabola. One being negative 31.50, 0.46, which is our vertex and our maximum value, and 31.50. Next, we created a spreadsheet and we plugged in the 3 points to find an equation. Next, I quick graphed it and then I determined the quadratic regression, which gave me my equation. Here is our equation. Next, we plugged in this equation into the calculator to form a graph of this parabola. This is the graph that we determined to represent the parabola of the drinking fountain. I predicted that the cleanest spot of drinking water would be 45.3 inches. However, Allie predicted that the cleanest spot of drinking would be 45.6 inches. Using our equation, we plugged in those y values to determine the x values at which these y values were located. First, I plugged in my point, which was 45.3 inches. I'm going to plug that point in and the y value. Now I'm going to solve for y. So when you solve for x, you get the answer of negative 3.9, which we rounded up to negative 4. So when you plug negative 4 into the calculator, you should get the point of positive 45.3, which is the y value that we were looking for. To determine the x value for Allie's predicted point, we did the same exact thing. Allie predicted that the cleanest spot of water was at 45.6. Doing all of the calculations, we got the x value of 3. Therefore, using our calculations and our equation, we can determine the x values on the parabola or the water stream for the y values that we predicted.
Okay, let me try 45.6 inches. That's definitely cleaner. That's where we should take a sip of water.